by the ICMR. Now what will be available at home is Covicell, something that the rapid antigen test that one can test themselves at home for COVID-19. Now this test kit, where it has been priced at 250 rupees and MyLab has now been given that they can produce more and more test kits in the coming few days as it is now going to ramp up with its production. And joining us is MyLab chief himself, Mr. Hasmukh Rawal. Thank you very much, sir, for taking out your time and speaking to us here on Republic this morning. Mr. Rawal, help us understand the Covicell and how accurate is the test kit really is, and how can one get it from the chemist shop probably and can test themselves at home for COVID-19 if necessary.
Yeah, thank you. So Covicell is a test which we have made it very simpler, where even a common man, a layman with a pictorial representation or a video demonstration will be able to do it. It has to be safe. It is very simple to use, and it is very safe. It is very simple to use, and it is mistake proof. That's what we have made sure of. It is will be available at pharmacies, local pharmacies near you, which you can go and just order it.
So it's going to be available there at pharmacies. But sir, the price is also being kept by the ICMR. If you can tell us more on the price related issue that has been kept for now, and those test kits, how accurate will it be?
So the price will be 250 inclusive of all taxes, distribution, transportation, and everything to the end user. It would also come up with an app where you will be able to record the result of the test, which will be also made available to the government, and which can be used as a report to be taken at the healthcare facilities for the further medical attention. At the same time, the test is made available with a nasal swab rather than a nasopharyngeal swab, so that a common layman will be also able to do it easily without much discomfort. Parallelly, we have made sure that it has matched the international standards of accuracy. Now the test has been recommended for people with symptoms and people who have come in close proximity with the positive patient. A 100 positive report on the test is 100% positive. You don't need to do any reconfirmation. While for a negative report, you might need to go and check with the other method if you are still suffering with the symptoms.
Right. So, Mr. Rawal, how would you advise the people who should be using this test kits? Like some of them who may be asymptomatic, or some who start showing the signs, or probably after how many days should an individual test themselves?
So I think as soon as the symptoms are there, you can be advised to do the test. Or let's say if you have come in close proximity with anybody who has found positive very recently, then you can do this test to make sure that you are not suffering with the disease, number one. Number two, if you are tested positive, at least you know that you can keep a safe distance with your close family members to make sure that they will not be carrying the disease because of us.
Right. So we are getting to know that you would be ramping up the production very soon, but how fast will it be available in the Indian market, sir?
So the product will be available in next few days only. To make sure, we have made sure that everything is in place, right from the machineries, the place, the production, the raw materials. We would be producing on an average around 70 lakh tests per week, which would be ramped up to almost double of its capacity in coming couple of weeks only.
Right. Mr. Rawal, when it comes to the usage of the COVID test kit, can you help us understand how will it be used? What all is there available in that test kit? I believe it is only the nasal swab this time around which is required of conducting a test.
Yeah, so as I said, the test is very simple. It comes with 5 components. Out of those, 2 are ancillary, while 3 are the components with which you will do the test. One of them is a pre-filled buffer tube, which will come with a pre-filled volume of lysis buffer, which will kill the virus as soon as the swab is inserted in it. The second is a swab, the nasal swab, not the nasopharyngeal swab, so it can be taken at a comfort. And the third is a card or a cassette, which is unique ID, which each of the cassette has a unique ID code, which will be linked to the individual as and when they will report. so that the traceability of the test will be taken care. Now, as soon as you take the swab and dip it in the nasal swab, it stays forever. The head of the swab stays forever in the liquid. So it does kill any virus possible, not only COVID but any other virus which might be you might be carrying with you. It will make sure that it lies and stays there forever.
Right. Mr. Hasmukh Rawal, thank you very much, sir, for taking out your time. The MD of MyLabs is with us here on the program, and this is where the ICMR, according to its latest guidelines, have now approved of Coviself, which is COVID-19 self-testing kit. So very soon in the Indian pharmacies, this testing kits will be available. Thank you very much, Mr. Rawal, for taking out your time.
Thank you.